look at that pole. This pole's fresh.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, I got an idea. Fresh.
Oh, Assassin's Creed, nigga. I'll freaking assassinate your ass.
Let's try to put my tongue on here.
I dare you to. Hold this. Hey, this nigga's about to put his tongue on a pole. I can't get it off, I'm scared.
No, I'm scared. It's
Just
nasty.
do it.
It's nasty. Yeah. You put your tongue.
I'm scared.
Do it. Go ahead. This is for fans.
It doesn't even stick that much.
Like, put your tongue then. It doesn't even stick that much.
There.
Okay.
It's your turn. Different spots. Eat some snow, nigga. That was just yellow snow.
What the fuck?
Freaking assassinate your ass. Look at this big piece of ice. It's a knife.
Oh yeah, what about this?
Shank, 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 shank. Ah, my leg.
Douche.
I'm gonna assassinate that nigga. Glass bottle time. Oh shit! Ah! Ah! You douche! Help! Help!
Goodbye. Hey, nigga, see this nigga fall? But we just had to shut it down. So, peace. And as you can hear, the first song is going on. What up? So, peace. Let me do some shout outs for us, support us. Peace.